Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can switch Wi-Fi network on your Google Nest mini speaker. So we have to pick our speaker on the Google Home application and tap on the settings icon. Next, let's go for the device information, and when we click on the Wi-Fi, as you can see, we are able to forget currently network, and when we make it, we'll be simply remove. So the speaker will stay, but it will be offline, and we have to wait for like few more minutes until the device turns to the setup mode. And basically you have to perform the first setup of your device. So there's no easy way to change it. You just have to make the first setup of your device. If you don't know how to make it, you can open our YouTube channel where you can find the video about this option. And yeah, that's how it looks. If you find this helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.